Hello everyone, my name is Özkoç,
My name is Kuruüzüm.
and we are here to present our graduation project, which is called the IUE. Basically, the IUE is a desktop application that eases the user's decision making while decorating their living room.
People tend to select wrong options while decorating their living room because they can't imagine how it looks like when decorating is done. So we are here to prevent this problem by showing their living room in 3D simulation. We are giving a chance them to decorate their living room by manually or automatically. In the end, we are assuming that it will decrease the percentage of making wrong decisions.
We built the application, now we are running it. At behind you can see a living room which we modeled in the Blender. We used that living room as prototype of a living room. We are starting the simulation. In this screen we can see three different options to select. First one is manual decoration, second automatic decoration, and lastly load room. In manual decoration, user designed the room by himself. User can move and rotate objects manually. We will show you detailed in the scene. In automatic decoration option, the IUE have three static algorithms that changes according to the user choice. These three static algorithms provide designed room for the user. If user likes the design, he can decorate his or living room according to the IUE placement. Load option provides the load any saved rooms to compare and remember it. So we are going with the manual decoration. We spawned in the room and we can walk around and look around. When we press P, at the left top we can see there is an information panel. It belongs to the manual decoration mode and it informs the user about the key bindings. When we resume and pressing 4, we can change the camera to top view camera. By choosing any objects at the right panel, when we spawn, clicking spawn button, we are spawning the objects, and when we dragging these objects on the scene, we are changing their position. By pressing E and Q, we can rotate these objects as whatever we like to do. When it collides any objects, it warns us and changes the material to red. When we, from the right panel, when we choose the object again, and we can despawn it as we liked it. By pressing P, we are going to the scene and we can look around if we like our design. By pressing P, we are going to main menu again. At automatic decoration, we have three options: television priority, sofa priority, and table priority. TV order selection is the most common choice. It takes the TV as base and decorates the room around TV. TV based alignment is like this. First puts TV, then sofa, then table, and the rest of it. Secondly, sofa priority. It takes the sofa as base and decorates the room around sofa. Thirdly, table priority. It takes the table as base and decorates the room around table. So we are selecting TV priority here. When we select TV priority, the IUE starts spawning objects according to our choice. We are waiting to spawn objects. When we move into the living room and walk around, we can see how it spawned the objects. By pressing 1 and 2, we can change the camera inside the house. When we press 3, we are going back to agent's eyes. By clicking P at the right top corner, we can see there is a material button. When we clicked it, we can change the material of the house. When we say done, it saves and going back to agent eyes. By clicking P, if we like this room, we can save it. Let's save it. We saved it and we ending simulation here. It shows us where the agent walked most. It informs about where did we use the most. Finish simulation and starting simulation again. If we didn't like this decoration, we can choose another priority. Let's go with the sofa priority here. First spawns sofa and the rest according to the choice. It tries to find the best place, but sometimes it won't find any best place. We just didn't like it, so we are going to main menu. Right now we are selecting the table priority. We are waiting again for the table priority. This is not good as the TV priority, but we are saving this for the deleting option. So we are backing into main menu, starting the simulation and loading room. So we want to load the room that we liked it. Pressing P, selecting load, and we want to delete first Bora file that we want to delete. So, and we want to load John file. Yes, it just did it. And if we liked it, we can save it and walk around, and we can design our living rooms according to the displacement. By pressing P, we are done and we are quitting the application. Thank you for listening to us.